Well, it's fascinating because every society, and especially every ancient society, has had the times of totem and taboo, where they upset all the givens, even the totems, even the sacred cows, and whether it's the Saturnalia in Rome or the Carnivali or a lot of our madness that we experience. But it has a lot of humor. We have, of course, in New Orleans, we have our great follies. But I'm reminded of something that I did recently that spoke to this. I took well-known children's poems, and I turned it upside down. So I did this with 400 young girls from the ages of 5 to 18 and had them in complete hysterics, and also then encouraged them to create new kinds of poetry. And this was the poem. It was the Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. I started, Humpty Trumpety sat on the wall. Humpty Trumpety had a great fall. And all the good women and all the fine men refused to pick up the pieces and put Humpty back together again. And so it is where you can take given kinds of poems or thoughts and shake them up and turn them into something else. And then you should have seen the release of creativity as people then took up the poems and gave them a whole new splash. Because when you do things with rhythm, both well-known and rhythm, rhythm profoundly activates the whole new order of creativity. We have to think about that.